Welcome, maintenance and operations teams. In this video, we're going to tackle an all-too-common question. Should you use an enterprise resource planning software, or ERP, for your maintenance needs? The answer may surprise you. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'll guide you through the complexities of ERP versus the more maintenance-focused CMMS, which stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. We'll explore which option best suits your business size and needs. Stick around for some enlightening insights and practical advice. So let's dive right in. Should you use an enterprise resource planning software for maintenance? Well, the answer largely depends on the size of your business. Enterprise resource planning software are known for their complexity, so they're typically not worth implementing unless your company is large enough to warrant it. Here's something you should know. Enterprise resource planning software is designed more for storing data rather than engaging with it. So while you might be able to track data related to your equipment, the software won't provide you with many readily accessible maintenance management tools. For instance, if you wanted to schedule work orders based on asset health, most enterprise resource planning software wouldn't make that process easy for you. Given these points, I would recommend using a simple computerized maintenance management system to manage your maintenance tasks. These types of programs are specifically designed to facilitate each aspect of maintenance planning. Just to give you an idea, here are a few features that a computerized maintenance management system offers. Firstly, work requests and work order management. Secondly, asset tracking, including warranties, downtime, and depreciation. Thirdly, maintenance scheduling. Fourthly, inventory management. And finally, mobile apps. And trust me, the list goes on. Even free computerized maintenance management system packages come with many of these features. And a full suite will still tend to be simpler to implement than ERP software, so you'd ultimately get more features that are relevant to maintenance planning without dealing with a complex infrastructure. Therefore, I'd recommend using a computerized maintenance management system until your business has grown enough to start considering an enterprise resource planning software. Even then, you might still retain your computerized maintenance management system by integrating it into your enterprise resource planning software suite. This way, you keep the maintenance management capabilities of the computerized maintenance management system while also gaining the data continuity provided by enterprise resource planning software. Now, if you already have an enterprise resource planning software in place, you could adapt it for use in maintenance planning. But remember, an enterprise resource planning software is designed to store data and make it accessible. Typically, it does this by connecting software systems used in each of your company's departments, making it more of an intermediary than an actual maintenance planning tool. So, you'd have to either build more functionality into it, perhaps by integrating maintenance management software, or rely on processes outside of the software itself. In conclusion, an enterprise resource planning software can be a powerful tool in maintenance management, but there are better options that can get more done for less. So, consider your company's size, needs, and resources before making a decision. Thank you for watching. We've explored the complexities of ERP and computerized maintenance management system, and we hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of which software best suits your business needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the right tool can make all the difference in your maintenance and operations tasks. Stay tuned for more.